In this video tutorial, we'll be looking at how to use a color picker in VDMX to control a DMX lighting fixture. Starting from a new project, the first thing I'm going to do is go into the VDMX preferences under the DMX section, and in here if needed I can configure anything that I need to with the DMX output or input ports. If I need multiple output ports, I can set the number of them that I need here, and along with their subnet universe versions, and their addresses rather. And below here you'll see the addresses of any ports that are detected on your ArtNet network. So in this case we only need one port, and our box is set to receive, so it's going to receive DMX over the network, and it's at 0, 0. If we look at our hardware setup, we just have our Thunderbolt to Ethernet dongle, which is connected to an Ethernet cable, which comes into our Ethernet box right here, and that converts it to a DMX signal, which then comes back into our DMX light, and all of these things have power as well. So now, if I go back to VDMX, I'm going to hide this media bin since we don't really need it, and I'm going to first create a control surface plugin. The light that I'm using has 4 channels of data, so I'm going to add a slider, which is going to control the strobe rate and the brightness level, and I'm going to add a color wheel, which I'm going to use to control the color. So if I click on the slider, first I'll go into the sender tab and add a DMX sender, and this will be used to control the brightness and strobe level. Next, I'm going to go to this color wheel and also choose sending, choose DMX, choose my output port, and now we need to set the start channel to 2. Now this will adjust the color and this will adjust the brightness level. For this light in particular, if the brightness level is set to below a half, it'll switch into a strobe mode, which can be kind of fun to play with as well. But normally I'll probably just want to play with the actual color of this, which I can do directly from here now. So that's our quick little tutorial on doing DMX control from a color picker. Note that this also works from other color UI items in VDMX. So if, for example, I have a color UI item here, I can also set up a DMX sender as well. And I won't do this because it'll conflict with my other operations that I have going on, but just know that it's possible to do it from these other RGB pickers as well as the HSV pickers in the color picker, on the control surface rather. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let us know.